Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Snapchat error could not connect to your camera or microphone issue. If you're unable to record snaps, use the mic or make video calls, this video will help you. So let's get started. First, open your phone's settings, scroll down and find this option called apps and tap on it. Now use the search icon at the top right and search for Snapchat. Scroll down. Now go to permissions. Make sure camera and microphone are set to allow. Choose allow. Let me go with microphone. If they are denied, Snapchat won't be able to access your hardware. Now close Snapchat completely from the recent apps and then reopen it. A quick refresh can fix connection issues instantly. Now if you're on Android, try clearing cache as well. For that, open your phone settings again. Now on the app info section for Snapchat, scroll down and go to storage. And here tap clear cache and then clear data. This won't delete your memories or chats. It just removes temporary files that might be causing the error. And you can try updating Snapchat as well. For that, you need to go to the Play Store or App Store. Here search for Snapchat and tap update if available. Outdated versions often cause camera and microphone problems. Then restart your phone. This resets your device camera and microphone hardware and usually fixes the issue instantly. Apps like Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, Zoom, or even your default camera app may be using the camera in the background. Snapchat won't connect until those apps are closed. So close all recent apps and try again. And that's it. That's how you fix the could not connect to your camera or microphone error on Snapchat. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.